Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn something every day. And the previous video we talked about the very basic mathematical calculation. In Excel sheet we talk about the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And today's video we will talk about how to create the table. So for that you will come to the home button, insert the table. This thing will appear and you can drag it for 4 or 5 columns, depends on the data available, the available data. So the first column I want to change it, double click it. I want to put a serial number over here. On the second one I want the item name here, item name, and the third column I want to put the price. Let's suppose the quantity. Let's suppose I have a quantity here, the price, and the fourth one. The last column, the total price for it. Double click it, total price. You can actually put the data over here. Serial number 1, this is 2, this is 3. You can go further, depends upon the data available, the available data. So here I have an iPhone. The quantity of iPhone are 5. The price for this one is, let's say, $800. Here I have a Samsung phone. I have 6 quantity of it, and the price of these are $600. And the other one is, let's suppose I have a Q-Mobile. I have 5 of them, and the price of these are $400, let's suppose. And now I'll calculate the total price. How will I calculate the total price? So I'll put the equality sign, then press the quantity multiplied by the price. So this is how I get the total price of 5 iPhones, 6 Samsungs, and Q-Mobile 6. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.